The best audiobook for beginners in stock investing? That's a solid question that doesn't have a one-size-fits-all answer. I mean, what works for me here in Portland might not resonate with everyone out there. But there is one audiobook that stands out when it comes to giving new investors a well-rounded introduction to the stock market, and that's The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Narrated with a kind of gravitas that makes you feel like you're in the room with some Wall Street sage, this book gives you the foundational knowledge that every investor should have. Graham's concept of value investing provides a method to the madness of the stock market. Listening to it, you'll learn that investing isn't about following the latest stock tips or market gossip. It's about solid, measured analysis and long-term thinking. The thing is, Graham wrote this gem way back when. Yet here we are, decades later, and it still stands as the go-to book for understanding investing. The Intelligent Investor doesn't just throw terminology at you. It's framed around concepts and strategies that have withstood the test of time. Here's where you can find The Intelligent Investor on Audible. https://www.audible.com/pd/the-intelligent-investor-audiobook/B0006IU3BC. Now, why do I recommend it for beginners? Because Graham starts from ground zero and builds up. He doesn't assume you're in finance or have a background in economics. Instead, he assumes you're starting from square one. Sure, the examples are a bit dated, but the principles, timeless. He delves into the psychology of investing, which is critical because, let's face it, the stock market is about as psychological as it gets. When I first started getting serious about investing, it was actually a dog-eared copy of Graham's book that a buddy from a local Portland investing club handed me. I remember thinking, how can something this old still be relevant? But then it clicked. Investing principles are a lot like those old bridges we have across the Willamette River. They've been around forever and still get the job done. So, to anyone starting their investing journey, I say pop in those headphones, take a leisurely stroll through one of Portland's parks, or wherever you find your zen, and let Benjamin Graham be your guide. The stock market might be a wild ride, but with Graham's insights, you're likely to navigate it with a bit more poise and confidence.